Hi and welcome to another tutorial in Python for Beginner series. In case you haven't watched the last tutorial, please watch it and then continue watching. Alright, now let's jump in and get started. So let me ask you a question. Define y and set it to 5 plus 2 multiplied by 4. What do you think is the result of this expression? This is a very basic math question that unfortunately a lot of people fail to answer. The answer is 13. Because in math, we have this concept called operator precedence, which means the order of operations. So the multiplication operator has the larger precedence, so it is applied first, which means 2 into 4 is executed first, and then the result is added to 5. Let's verify this. Print y and run the program. Y is 13. So this is what we call operator precedence. So this is just a basic math concept. So here's the order. First, we have the exponentiation, which is the part like 5 to the power of 2. Then we have multiplication or division. And finally, we have addition or subtraction. Let me show you another example. Here, I will add an exponential operator. So 4 to the power of 2. What do you think is the result of this operation? The answer is 37. Because the exponentiation operator takes precedence. So first it is executed, then it is multiplied by 2 and finally added to 5. So let's run this program and verify this. There you go, y is 37. We can also use parentheses to change the order of operation. If we have parentheses, it always takes priority. In this case, we can add parentheses around 2 and 4. So this piece of code will be executed first. The result is 8. Then 8 will be squared and the result will be 64. Finally, it will be added to 5. So the final answer is 69. Now here's a little exercise for you. I will set a variable y equals 6 plus 10 multiplied by 5 minus 2 to the power of 4. Pause the video and think about it for a few seconds. So you have learned that parenthesis always overrides the order. So this piece of code will be executed first. So 6 plus 10 is 16 and then 2 raised to 4 is also 16. So we have 16 multiplied by 5 minus 16. So you have learned that multiplication has precedence or subtraction. So the final answer is 16 multiplied by 5, which is 80, and then 80 minus 16, which is 64. Let's verify this. Run the program. There you go. I hope you guessed it right. So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this beginner series. And also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.